Hey, Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about the quality of parts being put on your vehicle and what you should probably know about them. Of course, we have some designators on parts: new, remanufactured, salvage, and then we also talk about OEM, which is an original equipment manufacturer, or OES, original equipment supplier. Some good things to know as far as that goes. Typically, we want to go with new parts on your vehicle, but there are some instances, such as sometimes with starter motors or alternators or other things, that remanufactured is a way better option because of quality and cost, of course. When we're talking about what we're putting on the vehicle, such as fuel pumps, at the West Automotive Group, we always recommend OEM, original equipment manufacturer, or original equipment supplier, just because the quality of repair we want to give you and the warranty that we stand behind is extremely important to us, and also gives you the best repair of your vehicle. Some of the offshore stuff isn't the best to be using, as it can cause other problems down the road when having your vehicle serviced or repaired that we found, such as faulty air filters that are aftermarket, etc. So when looking to get your vehicle repaired, make sure you're getting the right quality parts. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.